people. Let me know what's up. What's up, you people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. In this video, I have my friend here, Aniqua.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
She got me. She came over and she bamboozled me. Okay, so now I'm doing her hair. Huh?
I did it.
Ma'am.
Okay, anyways, you're doing my hair.
So we're gonna do a perm roasted on her hair. It's my first time doing her hair. She has a lot of hair. So we're gonna have fun. Are you excited?
So excited. Now you can see my face.
Look at her color.
I just
Isn't it
colored
cute?
it.
So she already washed her hair. Now we just putting some leave-in conditioner in. This is the Mielle Organics.
You want mine?
No, I want my own.
Oh.
This is Mielle Organics. Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. No, you can still use yours later. I just know that this works for me. So.
Oh, okay.
So just a little bit of background about her hair. She does get her hair flat ironed, I believe every 2 to 3 weeks. She does not have any perm in her hair. She's fully natural, but she's definitely a heat style girl. So in between time, before she goes back to the salon to get it flat ironed, she wants to start rocking her hair in natural styles. You know, just definitely reducing the heat in between time. Okay, you feel me? So that's what we're doing today in this video. So let's get this video started. Girl, let's get it. So much hair, pretty hair.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm my daddy.
Come on, shout out to the dads out there.
Help her, Jesus. Help her.
So I already put the leave-in conditioner all around her hair, so now I'm just gonna brush it out a little bit and then add the styling foam. So, of course, you already know I don't play games about this. This is the LottaBody Wrap Me Foam Mousse, okay? My favorite of all time, okay? So, I'm gonna just put that all around the section. So, a couple of pumps. Work that through the section. And then we'll go in smaller sections. Okay, let's do this.
Yay! I think I can see you through the TV.
Yeah, and it's a mirror.
Tank top on.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do for her hair is what I like to do for myself as well, which is 2-strand twist first. Just a little ways down. To give it some type of stretch towards the root. Go ahead and smooth it on out with the brush. You already know. Perm roasted that boy.
And you twist it up, correct?
Correct. When I get to the front, you probably can do this.
That seems pretty cool. Very easy for the home viewers. You gotta have fun when you do hair.
Yes.
Especially mine, because it's a lot.
If y'all want to know about her curl pattern, that's what they look like.
Yes. So my dad's hair is really curly like the top part of my hair. And my mom's hair is straight like the bottom part. So since I was the first.
That's her theory. She think her hair is curly straight because of her parents. But I told her it's just used to being flat iron as well. And some pieces. That could be the reason.
We all have our opinions. Only Jesus knows the truth.
No, Shabbat. Iba. Amen.
Amen. We'll see what the Lord says.
Okay, go ahead.
Make sure y'all comment on the video. Tell me if y'all like my color or not.
Let her know. Come on. You right.
And then let us know if you bought the products. You know, is she advertising in this video? Because I'm about to go buy me some.
Yes.
And share. Make sure you share this video.
Shout out to the friends that got your back doing the videos.
No time for fakeness. So in this bottle, this spray bottle, you have water?
Just water.
Oh, okay. No extra stuff in
No
the bottle?
extra stuff. It's
Interesting.
bottled water, if that makes you.
Is it spring or purified?
Spring. I think that's spring.
Oh, okay. Oh, Ice Mountain. Yeah, that's spring.
I try to keep it.
Keep the water.
Keep the water.
Now, do you spray this on every strand that you grab?
No, I just decided to do it this time around. But usually I spray water on the whole section that I just parted out, so that whole row, and then go ahead and add the product per section that I split out of the made section. That probably don't make sense. Just watch the video, y'all see what I'm doing. So I like to do medium-sized sections, going straight across just to, you know, part it out for myself. Then I'll just pin it out the way, the rest of the hair. Because we know long hair don't curl. What I normally do, because I was improvising just a minute ago, I'll just spray the whole section if it did dry out. But of course you can just put a shower cap on your head to keep it still moisturized and wet. And I don't add any more leave-in conditioner. Like some people here, you don't need to add more. Just leave it where it's at. So I detangle it. Wait. I need to get your hair. Look the other way. Cannot. Stay right there.
Good bra.
Well, y'all can see all my mess in the back. Just ignore it on today. But yeah, so we're going. Your option is you can add the pump of the styling foam all over, or you can just go by section. It depends on my one. Sometimes I just switch it up just to be switching it up. This is not really necessary. And then work it on through. Like that if you wanted to. Then I'll go section by section. So I always try to see how many can I do. Looks like I can do 3 in this one. So then I'll just 2-strand twist at the roots. You feel me? Go ahead and brush it on out. Just have her hair is long, but that's kind of stupid on the add the rod, make sure that end is tucked, and then I'm going around her hair.
What does stretch it out mean?
So it just gives it some length towards the root. So if I went all the way up to your root, rolled it all the way up, it would be super tight on your head like this. So me 2-strand twisting it a little bit allows it to kind of hang a little bit lower once I take it out, after it dries and stuff. It almost kind of stops the curl right there. So the way it's hanging is kind of how it's gonna come out. Gotcha. If I did it all the way up to your head, for example, like this, if I did like this, if I went all the way up, that's how tight that curl gonna come out. Gotcha. And most people don't want their hair that tight, so they like, come back down. I'm like, okay, come back down. So I come back down right here, and then just let it hang, so it can have a little bit of length to it. Once it's for real dry, then okay, add a little bit more leave-in conditioner, but I don't think it's necessary. And then, of course, we're gonna detangle it. So I'm gonna have you get this brush, detangle it on out. Start from the ends first.
Yes, ma'am. Do I have it all? Yes.
This snow just falling. Y'all, it snowed for one day and acted up, and now everything melting.
One there. Is that big enough, or is that too big? I could probably do 2 out of this.
No, that was good.
1, 2, 3. Right. 4. We're going this way.
Well, I'm left-handed, so whatever way is the best for you.
Nope, if you went that way.
Make sure it's tight enough of a twist too. Yeah.
Oops. She do 6 of them, y'all, but when she comes to the front, she do 8.
She do my how many I go down with my twist.
5, 6, 7, 8. Then she's gonna grab it.
Smooth it out.
And then smooth it out.
And your goal is to go whichever way you want to go up the rod, but make sure it's not overlapping on the hair. Exactly. Come through. Yes. Correct. Now next time we're just gonna start down here.
I'm just gonna start over.
Okay. So the key is, so if she has, because she has long hair, she's gonna have to start at the bottom half of the rod, which is where that where this is right here. So start down here if you got longer hair, and then start wrapping. But she's really good with tucking her ends in.
I care about my ends.
Come on. The lighting's changed, sorry for that. Wow, skills for days though. Girl, you are a pro.
Stop there.
Yeah, so because remember, this is where you want it to hang. So say you stop right there. You can let it go because you tucked it good enough. That's where it's gonna hang.
Oh, okay, good.
So if you ever have like pieces like sticking out like that, you can just grab some foam, grab a little bit of the foam, and then you just lay it on top of it to lay it back down. Yeah. So the key to clipping, you always want to clip it where the hair is on the top of the rod.
So clip there.
Yep. Correct. Bada bing.
Boom, boom.
Bada boom, boom. Y'all, this makes me so happy inside. Come through, twist. Y'all, this is gonna be so cute. We're gonna be in a different area though when I take it down, but I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. I'm not trying to show her boobs, but you know.
It's okay, they real.
Y'all, she got that twisting. Y'all know I call it the windmill motion down pat. And now because you did it so many times, now you can just roll up. So I can see because she like her
did
parts.
put a bobby pin there so it stays.
She holding in there.
Oh, it's hot, y'all.
It's hot.
So hot. We have 6 more minutes.
She has to go back under it, y'all.
Like Shirley Temple.
Yeah, Shirley Temple's cousin.
Little Bo Peep. That color is really popping.
It is. Okay, turn.
Yeah.
It's hot on the chair. The G, hey.
So much, Janae.
Bye.
I'm gonna get so much.
Bye bye.
No, you don't go back to the night.
Bye bye.
On Tuesday, I go back Tuesday.
Oh, that was so nice.
And I have.
All right, y'all, look at these curls though. Yes, correct. Turn around for them because they need to see what's happening. Wow.
Look at there.
She's so cute.
Oh, so cute.
Yes.
Shout out to my girl, Nate Too Curly.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely shows you how it looks on longer hair. Okay, I know I usually do on my hair. My hair is about medium lip, but that's how I look if you do a perm set on your longer hair. That's cute, right? All right. So as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.